We'll guide you through how to download and install Facebook on a laptop or PC. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. It's super convenient to go and do this, as you can easily then get to Facebook on your computer using an app. So we need to go and get to the App Store on our computer. So if you come to the bottom of your computer and click on search, go and type in Microsoft Store, like so. It'll probably be suggested to you and you can go and open it up. You can browse the store for Facebook or just click on search at the top and go and type in Facebook like so. And as you can see, here it is. We can then go and click on it, scroll through and read about it, but to go and get it, just click install over to the left here. And now go and wait and it'll go and download. It won't take long at all and it's installed. And then all we need to do is press open and here we are. So of course, what we do need to do is go and log into our account. So I'll do that now. Just like so, I'm now using Facebook. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.